Whether you're making a humble breakfast or an extravagant dinner, there is one thing that you can do that will make you a better cook, and it'll make whatever you're cooking be tastier and more appealing. And here's the better news. This technique is super easy to implement. By the end of this video, you will know how to instantly be a better cook. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Matt and this channel is all about helping you be a better cook no matter your skill level. And that's actually the focus of today's video, is one tip that is going to help you level up your cooking game. So what is the one thing that will make you a better cook? Contrast. No, not this kind of contrast. What I'm talking about is culinary contrast, and chefs do this all the time. It's why meals in restaurants taste so good. But this is not just the domain of chefs and restaurants. Home cooks can do this anytime for any meal. In fact, you might even do this intentionally or accidentally when you're cooking. Culinary contrast can come in several forms, often taste, texture, or color, or sometimes a combination of those traits. There's a good chance that some of your favorite meals actually employ culinary contrast. Think of fried chicken, where you have that nice crispy batter ensconcing moist chicken, or peanuts sprinkled over pad thai, or hot fudge drizzled on a sundae. These are all examples of a culinary contrast. Essentially, it's taking two opposite things and putting them together. So soft and crunchy, sour and sweet, hot and cold. I could go on, but these are all examples of contrast. And when you do it properly in cooking, it can be delicious. So to practice it at home, think about what you're cooking, the taste, the texture, the color, and then think of something that contrasts those elements. Now there's probably 1,000 different ways that we could do a culinary contrast, but if you're kind of new to the whole cooking thing, let's start easy. Let's start with garnish. Garnishes are something that you usually add at the end of cooking to enhance the food. So for example, we can take oatmeal. On its own, it's good, but it can go from good to great with a garnish like walnuts and berries. And this is a contrast in a couple of ways, because you are contrasting the soft chewiness of the oatmeal with the crunch of the walnuts, and then also a nice pop of flavor with the berries, not to mention a nice vibrant color. Another example is my half marathon meal that we did a few weeks ago, which is basically just a simple dish of lentils and brown rice. But we can make that go from good to absolutely great with the addition of some jalapenos and hoisin sauce. The jalapenos are going to add some nice crunch and spiciness along with color, while that hoisin sauce is going to give a nice sweet element to the dish. Or think about a baked potato. On its own, it's pretty plain, but when you load it up with all the fixins, bacon bits, cheese, chives, sour cream, you name it, you take something that is just kind of plain, but you put those contrasting elements that makes it amazing, both visually and taste-wise. And you don't even necessarily have to cook to benefit from culinary contrast. So for example, that yogurt you eat in the morning, add some granola to it, add some berries. Again, you're gonna get that crunchiness of the granola, you're gonna get all that vibrancy of the berries, and it's super easy. It just takes seconds. You can just as easily perform a culinary contrast with condiments. So again, here's my example of the hoisin sauce. This stuff is really good if you've never had it. Think of it as a really kind of thick, teriyaki style sauce. It's delicious. Gochujang is another really great condiment that has a nice complexity. It's kind of sweet, it's kind of hot. Again, this is a great contrast in itself. There are countless ways to perform a culinary contrast, but just start simple. Think about what you're making and think about what the opposite of that might be. Texture, color, etc. And just give it a try. If you're new to cooking, again, start with garnishes, and then you can get into more complex stuff where you start building in those contrasts from the very beginning of the meal. So give culinary contrast a try, and I can almost guarantee that whatever you're cooking will taste better and be more visually appealing. So let me know what you think. What are some of your favorite culinary contrasts? I would love to hear in the comments below. As always, Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so glad that you are here. Until next time, I hope you want to cook.